Hi, everyone. Welcome to Daily Talking.
Hello! We are so happy you are here today.
I'm David.
And I'm Olivia.
Today, we want to talk about transportation.
Yes, taking a taxi and using the metro.
These are very important for traveling.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
Yes, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
It really helps us.
Okay, Olivia, do you like taking taxis?
Sometimes. Taxis are comfortable.
That's true, but they're expensive.
Yes, very expensive. What about you?
I prefer the metro
Why?
because it's cheap and fast.
That's true, but sometimes the metro is very crowded.
Yes, especially in the morning.
I don't like crowded places.
Me neither, but I don't have much money.
Poor David.
So, when do you take a taxi?
When I have heavy bags, or when it's raining.
That makes sense.
What about you? Do you ever take taxis?
Yes, when I'm late for something important,
Like what?
like a job interview or a doctor's appointment.
Oh, yes, those are important.
Have you ever gotten lost in the metro?
Yes, many times.
Really? What happened?
I took the wrong train. I went the opposite direction.
Oh no, that's terrible.
It was. I was so confused.
Don't worry. Today we'll learn how to ask for directions.
Great, I need that.
Okay, let's start with taxis.
How do we call a taxi?
There are many ways. We can use an app on our phone.
Like Uber?
Yes. Or we can call a taxi company.
What do we say?
We say, I need a taxi, please.
That's easy.
Then they ask, where are you?
And we tell them our address.
Exactly. Let's practice.
Okay.
Ring, ring. Hello, city taxi. How can I help you?
Hello, I need a taxi, please.
Of course. Where are you?
I'm at 123 Main Street.
Okay, the taxi will arrive in 5 minutes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Goodbye. Good. Now, what happens when you get in the taxi?
The driver asks, where to?
Yes, or where are you going?
And we tell them the address.
Right. Let's practice that too.
Okay, you be the taxi driver.
Good morning. Where to?
Good morning. Can you take me to the airport, please?
Sure, no problem.
How long will it take?
About 30 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Perfect. You did great.
Thank you. What about paying?
Good question. At the end of the ride, the driver tells you the price.
How do we pay?
We can pay with cash or credit card.
What do we say?
We say, how much is it? Or what's the fare?
Let me try.
Okay, we're here. That's $25, please.
Here you go. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Great. Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Excellent. What about a tip?
Oh, do we give tips to taxi drivers?
Yes, in many countries we give tips,
How much?
usually 10 to 15%.
Okay, so if the fare is $20, I give $2 or $3 more?
Exactly. You can say, keep the change.
Keep the change.
Yes, it means the driver can keep the extra money.
That's nice.
What if you need the taxi to stop?
I say, stop here, please?
Perfect. Or, can you pull over here?
Let's practice.
Okay, so we're almost at the airport.
Actually, can you stop here, please? I need to buy something.
Sure, no problem.
Thank you. I'll be quick.
Great job.
This is really helpful.
I'm glad. Now, let's talk about the metro.
Okay, I want to learn about the metro.
The metro can be confusing at first.
I know, I always get lost.
Don't worry. First, we need to buy a ticket
Where do we buy tickets?
at the ticket machine or the ticket office.
What do we say at the ticket office?
We say, one ticket please, or a day pass please.
What's a day pass?
It's a ticket you can use all day, unlimited rides.
Oh, that's useful.
Yes, especially for tourists.
Let's practice buying a ticket.
Okay, I'll be the ticket seller.
Okay.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I need a ticket to Central Station, please.
One way or round trip?
What's the difference?
One way is just going there. Round trip is going and coming back.
Oh, round trip, please.
That's $5, please.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good, now you have a ticket.
What's next?
We need to find the right platform.
How do we do that?
We look at the signs, or we ask someone.
What do we ask?
We say, "Excuse me, which platform for Central Station?"
Let me try.
Okay, I'm a passenger waiting for the train.
Excuse me, which platform for Central Station?
Platform 3, over there.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Perfect.
What if I take the wrong train?
That's okay. Just get off at the next station.
And then?
Take the train going the opposite direction.
How do I know which direction?
Look at the signs. They show the last stop.
Oh, so if I want to go to Central Station, I look for that name.
Exactly. You're learning fast.
Thank you. What about when I arrive?
When the train stops, get off. Don't forget your things.
I always forget something.
Me too.
Is there anything else I need to know?
Yes, stand behind the yellow line.
Why?
It's dangerous to stand too close to the edge.
Oh, that's important.
And let people get off first before you get on.
That's polite.
Yes, good manners are important.
Now let's talk about asking for directions.
Yes, I need this.
When you're lost, what do you say?
Help me?
No, we say, "Excuse me, I'm lost."
Oh, that's better.
Or we say, "Can you help me? I'm looking for."
Let me try. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the museum.
Sure, go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left.
Wait, what's go straight?
It means don't turn, just keep walking forward.
Oh, and turn left means go to the left side.
Yes, and turn right means go to the right side.
This is confusing.
Don't worry, let's practice.
Okay, excuse me, where is the supermarket?
Go straight, then turn right at the traffic light.
How far is it?
About 5 minutes on foot.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Great. What other directions can we give?
I don't know.
We can say it's next to or it's across from.
What does next to mean?
It means beside something, very close.
And across from?
It means on the other side of the street.
Oh, so the bank is across from the post office.
Exactly. You got it.
What about between?
Good question. Between means in the middle of two things.
Like, the cafe is between the bank and the bookstore.
Perfect. You're so smart.
Thank you.
Let's practice more directions.
Okay.
Excuse me, how do I get to the train station?
Walk straight for 3 blocks. It's on your right, next to the hotel.
Is it far?
No, it's very close. About 10 minutes.
Can I take a bus?
Yes, take bus number 5. It stops right there.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a nice day. Excellent. You're really good at this.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
What if someone gives you directions but you don't understand?
I say, I don't understand?
Yes, or you can say, "Can you repeat that, please?"
Or can you speak more slowly?
Perfect. Those are very useful phrases.
Can we use our phone for directions?
Of course, we can use Google Maps.
That's easier.
Yes, but it's good to know how to ask people too.
You're right. What if my phone battery dies?
Exactly. Always have a backup plan.
Okay, everyone, that's all for today.
Yes, we talked about transportation.
We learned how to take a taxi.
We say, "I need a taxi," and tell them the address.
And we learned about paying.
We ask, "How much is it?" and we can give a tip.
We also learned about the metro.
We buy tickets and find the right platform.
And, most importantly, we learned how to ask for directions.
Go straight, turn left, turn right.
Next to, across from, between.
These phrases are so useful.
Yes, use them when you travel.
And don't be afraid to ask for help.
That's right. People are usually very nice.
Before you go, remember to subscribe to our channel
Yes, click that subscribe button and the bell icon.
and like this video if you enjoyed it.
Share it with your friends who are learning English.
Leave a comment too. Tell us about your transportation experiences.
Have you ever gotten lost? Tell us your story.
We love reading your comments.
Okay, Olivia, I need to go now.
Where are you going?
I'm taking the metro to meet a friend.
Oh, don't get lost.
Ha ha! I won't. I know the way now.
Good. Have fun.
Thank you. And everyone, thank you for watching.
Yes, thank you. See you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. See you in the next episode.